Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and show you how to do a slip knot to get started with your crochet. That's the first part. First thing you need to do is make a slip knot. Alright, so we're going to go ahead and we're going to pull the yarn out from the ball of yarn. It's the end. I have about a foot or so pulled out. I'm going to basically bring the two pieces together, kind of crossing them in front here like so. Right, I'm going to drop this to the back. There you go. That is your slip knot. Then you can put your hook in and you are all ready to get started with your crocheting. Yes.